So the picture I brought with me today is of my wife's first Christmas at my mum and dad's. And we done a picking names out of a hat, and you had to make that person a Christmas hat, and that's the picture.
So I've brought in 2 photos with me today. One of them is with Christmas at my mum's, and one of them is at Christmas at my dad's. I love Christmas time because it's obviously a great chance to see your family, but it means that I can get to spend some quality time with all my brothers and sisters. I actually have 5 brothers and sisters, so Christmas is a really lovely time for us all to get together.
I brought pictures which are actually about my family reunions. One when I was probably about 3-4 years old. At that time, we were living in a very small apartment in Paris, but there was, like a lot of happiness during that time.
I brought a photo of me in the kitchen cleaning up because I like to cook and I make a big mess when I cook, but I also like to clean up, and I guess that's something that I've always been doing. Clearly the picture depicts it.
I had a good old rifle through some family albums and I found some photos of my grandparents and myself at different Christmases. So there's one particular photo of me and my granddad opening some presents on my granddad's bed, and that's a really special one. And there's one that's really lovely of my grandma, and she's the one that's inspired the nut roast today, so that one's really special.